director circle. Now I will start the subject matter. Equation of tangent at x1 y1 point to the conic x square plus 2xy plus by square plus 2z plus 2fy plus c. The tangent at a point x1 y1 to the conic is to the conic ax square plus 2axy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is ax x1 plus a is into x y1 plus x1 y plus b y y1 plus z into x plus x1 plus a into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. This is the tangent equation at a point x1 y1 to the conic is. Now I will discuss normal equation at x1 y1 point to the conic. The equation of normal at x1 y1 to the conic is x minus x1 a x1 a is y1 plus z y minus y1 a is x1 b y1 plus c. This is the equation of normal at x1 y1 point to the conic. X square plus 2xy plus by square plus 2z plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Code of contact. Now I will discuss you of code of contact. The tangents are drawn from a point Px1 y1 to the conic at T and T dash. Then the joining the point of contact is called chord of contact. That is T T dash, the line T T dash is called the point of contact. Chord of contact Now will discuss you pole and polar. Pole and polar. Let a point P within or without a conic, within or without a conic. Let a line draw to a conic AB. At A, it meets the conic at A and B. Now the two tangents are drawn at A and B. The locus of the tangent, the intersecting point of the tangent, the locus of the intersecting point of tangent is called polar of P. If AB be the line drawn from the point P within or without of a conic, then the intersecting of the tangents at A and B, then the locus of P is called polar of the conic, and P is called pole of the conic. Now the equation of pole defined as t equal to 0, that means ax x1 plus ax y1 plus x1 y plus by y1 plus zx plus x1 plus ay plus y1 plus c. That is also similar equation of tangent at x1 y1 to the conic. Asymptote. Now we sketch the conic. If the straight line intersect at infinite point to the conic, but the straight line not entirely at infinite, then the straight line is called asymptote. Noted that there is no asymptote. There is no asymptote of an ellipse. Also, parabola has no real asymptote. Only the hyperbola has real asymptote. We can find the real asymptote only hyperbola. director circle. Director circle is the locus of point from which perpendicular tangent can be drawn to the point. The equation of director circle is C x square plus y square minus 2gx minus 2fy plus a plus b equal to 0, where a, b, c, f, g are the cofactors of A, B, C, F, G. Here del equal to A, B, C, A, Z, HBF, GFC. Now we can solve the problem. Find the director circle of the conic ax square plus by square equal to 1. Given the conic is ax square plus by square plus 2g. Given the conic is ax square plus by square equal to 1. That is ax square plus by square minus 1 equal to 0. Let the director circle is C x square plus y square minus 2gx minus 2fy plus a plus b equal to 0. Number 2. And del equal to a 0 0 0 b 0 0 0 minus 1. That is del equal to a, here a is equal to 0, g equal to 0, a is equal to 0, b equal to b, f equal to 0, g equal to 0, f equal to 0, c equal to minus 1. Now the protector of C, that means capital C equal to AB, and other cofactors, that means Z equal to 0, F equal to 0, A equal to minus B, and B equal to minus A. Then the putting this value into form 2, we have AB x square plus y square. Here Z equal to 0, AB equal to 0, A equal to minus B, B equal to minus A equal to 0. AB equal to x square plus y square, A plus. This is the director circle of that given point. Now we can define confocal point. If the focus of two conic, if the focus of two conic are same, then the conic represents confocal point. Now we can solve a problem. Find the confocal conic of the conic x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Find the confocal conic of the conic F. Now we solve this problem. Given x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Number 1. Let the confocal conic is x square by a, y square by b equal to 1. Number 2. We know the focus of 1 is plus minus a square minus b square, and the focus of 2 is plus minus a minus b 0. Now from the condition we have two focus are equal. Then we have Then we have a square minus b square equal to a minus b. Now we have a square minus b square equal to a minus b. Then we have a minus a square equal to b minus b square equal to lambda. Let then we have a equal to a square plus lambda and b equal to b square plus lambda. Putting this value in the equation 2, we have the required equation of confocal conic. X square by a square plus lambda plus y square by b square plus lambda equal to 1. This is the required confocal conic. Thank you, my dear student.